And hello guys and welcome back to a new video on my channel. This time we will be reacting to the bomb that just got dropped. Well, just it's more like 4 hours ago, but still. The duet between Rain and JYP. I don't know if you know, but I like JYP. I like at this point I think he owns like the retro concepts and all kind of stuff. I know Rain, but I'm not sure what he does, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. I watched the teaser, so I knew the video will drop today, but I couldn't film the reaction as soon as the video came out, because you know, yeah, people need to sleep, and yeah. Apparently the video is rated 15 plus. Okay, I guess. Yeah, let's start with the reaction, shall we?
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되시니까.
다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데. 명성이 자자해.
그래도 형 따라가려면 멀었죠 뭐.
금방 따라잡겠던데. 넌 수단과 방법을 안 가리니까.
그거 다 형한테 배운 건데요 뭐.
Oh wow. The way JYP like sits stands up, and then Rain does as well. And JYP is like, oh god, he's taller than me. It's like look at the height difference between them. So I shouldn't be pausing, but like this is just the intro. What phone is this? What phone is that? I know it's a Samsung, but like what kind of Samsung is it that you know unfold it like the old phones? But they saw the girl, or woman, should I say? Rain X JYP.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에 내가
Oh, so this is Rain. This is what he sings like. Retro, of course. The song seems very funky so far.
네가 남자가 있다는 사실 알아 그 남자에게 미안하지만 그 자리가 탐나 나쁘지 않은 사람인 것도 알아
Wow.
그와 있기에는 네가 너무 특별하잖아 너를 어떻게 대주니 네가 얼마나 특별한지 알기는 않는 것 같니
Look at JYP on the horse. I don't know who the girl is though.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에
This is so disco funky.
맞는 것 같아
I like this.
내게 기회를 줘 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자 제발 네 남자가 누구니 널 이렇게 혼자 두고 다니니 나 같으면 자식 손자
And JYP rapping.
절대로 널 혼자 두지 않아 Let me love you and hold ya
Oh, this is some Gangnam Style stuff.
오지 않을지도 몰라 그러니 금반지 바라보지 말고 나만을 바라봐 내 눈 속에 비치는 네 미소를 봐봐 너를 어떻게 대주니 네가 얼마나 특별한지
Their vocals and even their rapping is just, chef's kiss. I was not expecting this.
네가 너무
Was this the song? Is that it? Oh, come on, I want more. Why is why is this over? In case you don't know who this guy is, this is the guy that made Gangnam Style. This this is Psy. This song had everything. I don't have words to describe this. This song had everything, literally. It even had Psy. Wow. Okay, so I guess this was a collaboration um with three companies. So it's JYP, of course, his company is named JYP as well. Uh I'm not sure what Rain's company is. I'm trying to think, but I don't know. Is he in Cube? I don't think so. No, is he in Stone Music? No, I'm not sure what company he's in. And it's P Nation, um, which is obviously Psy. I I don't have words to describe how good this song was. Like, I tried to pay attention to the lyrics as much as I could, because I think the lyrics were like the most important in this song. So what I can tell you is that this song is like a love story. Um, it's like, yeah, kind of a love story, but it's like two guys fighting for a girl, like trying to impress her in their own ways, and they end not like none of them ends up with her, and then Psy appears and steals the girl. So I think that was the best scene of the whole MV. Look at Psy. He's like, like a gangster. Literally comes and takes the girl from them too. Um, I think the video is pretty basic. Like, it's literally I can see why it's like a collaboration with P Nation, because it's literally his style. Like, you see, when I told you this is like some Gangnam Style kind of stuff, yeah, I literally predicted that Psy will appear. Um, what other stuff I noticed is that, like, each one of them tries to impress the girl in their own way. Like, he has a car, but then JYP comes in with like the better car. I'm not sure what car this is. Let me see. Um, this is like Ferrari or something like that. Um, and then, like, you know, um, the chorus says like "switch to me." So I think I get why they say please switch to me, please switch to me. Um, yeah. Overall, like, you can see, I cannot find my words, because this song left me like speechless. I'm not usually vibing to those kind of like retro, like strong retro concepts. Uh, but at this point, JYP just owns those retro concepts. I think the song is quite short. I'm not, when does it end? 4:15, and it starts at like 1. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Okay. So the song is like 3 minutes and a bit. So yeah, I think that's all right. Um, the thing that like another thing that I noticed um is that there's, like, those like signature backgrounds, like this one for JYP. I think he used those scenes in like a lot of his older MVs. Um, like even in his duet with Sonmi, I think. I'm not too sure though. Um, Another thing I noticed is that you know, I didn't know Rain before. Like I knew who he was. I know he is a soloist, but I don't know what he sings like and stuff. I think I might check him out later because I quite like this. Um, yeah, and and their faces at the end when they saw Psy leave with the girl. Um, so thank you guys for watching. This was my reaction. I hope I tried to find my words as much as I could, but I just can't. Like I just can't. I couldn't focus on the song, like on the MV that much, because the song was like too good and like the lyrics, like the lyrics of the song were like too meaningful. Um, but overall, I think this is definitely one of the best songs released this year because it's 31st of December. They released it last year. I this is like a gift for fans. This duet. Um, I think it's one of the best songs released this year, definitely. And I can honestly say this because it's the last day of the year. I hope this song gets voted on Mama next year. If this song does not win the best duet on Mama Awards next year, I'm gonna get very mad because this is just too perfect. But anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.